When your day feels like it's pulling you in five different directions at once, pause. Because being tired all day doesn't always mean you need more sleep. Sometimes you just need better habits. We're discussing 3 points today. Point number one, start your day with light movement. Not a gym session, not a sprint, just something that tells your body, hey, we're awake now. A quick stretch, a short walk, even 2 minutes of moving around your room works. Small wins make big tasks easier. Point number two, fix your energy leaks. These are tiny habits that drain you quietly. Constant notifications, random scrolling, jumping between tasks every 2 minutes. Every leak steals a little bit of energy until you're running on fumes. Close the extra tabs, mute the pings, do one thing then the next. Point number three, do a midday reset. Most people crash after lunch because their mind gets cluttered. So pause for 60 seconds. Breathe in deeply. Exhale slowly. Reset your brain like you're cleaning smudges off a lens. You'll think clearer, feel lighter, and stop dragging through the rest of the day. If you want to feel less tired, remember, a little movement, fewer leaks, and a 1-minute reset go a long way. Thanks for watching, and if you want more simple ideas that bring clarity, one idea at a time, subscribe.